Yes, welcome back to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about kinetic energy. Okay, so look at the definition here. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Okay, so look at the diagram here. So this is the object of mass is m, which is placed on the horizontal surface. Let us assume initially the object is at rest state. So we can write it as initial speed of the object is 0. Okay, suppose if I apply some external force on this object along horizontal direction, due to this external force, definitely the object covers at some displacement s, and it acquires some acceleration, and the initial velocity of the object changes from u to v. Okay, so whenever force is acting on this body, so from Newton's second law, we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Let us assume this is equation number 1. Okay, so after getting this force equation, here we have u term, that is 0, we have final velocity v, and acceleration also will be there, and displacement also will be there. So based on these four quantities, we will use third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So u value is 0. So finally v square is equal to 2as. Okay, so from this easily we can calculate acceleration. Acceleration is equal to v square by 2s. Let us assume this is equation number 2. So substitute this acceleration formula in equation 1. So substitute equation 2 in 1. Then force is equal to m into acceleration means v square by 2s. Let us assume this is equation number force. Okay, so this is the force equation I got. F is equal to mv square by 2s. So, okay, so whenever force is acting here, due to this force, object covers some displacement s. The product of force and displacement is called work done. So we know that work done is equal to F dot S. Let us assume equation number 4. So force formula already we know. So this force formula we can substitute in equation 4. So substitute equation 3 in 4. Then work done is equal to force means mv square by 2s into s. So this s and this s cut. The rest of the equation is mv square by 2. So the work done is equal to mv square by 2. So here this work is nothing but in the form of kinetic energy. Therefore Ke is equal to half mv square. Okay, so this is the final expression for kinetic energy. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.